Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Vivo Y21 and opening Settings. This gives direct access to display controls. Once done, make sure your battery is above 20% or connect the charger to avoid interruptions. Next, confirm the image you want is saved in Gallery or Files so you can pick it quickly. If not, download or transfer it now. You'll use the Wallpaper or Display menu next, so keep the phone unlocked and the target image visible for faster selection. You now go to Display, then Wallpaper, or simply long press an empty area on the home screen to speed this up. Once there, choose Gallery to pick your photo, Live for animated options, or built-in wallpapers if you prefer presets. After selecting an image, crop and position it with pinch and drag gestures. This sets composition and focus. Make sure to explicitly choose lock screen only if prompted, otherwise the wallpaper might apply to home screen too. Take a moment to preview the result. You finish by tapping Apply or Set Wallpaper and selecting Lock Screen to confirm placement. This writes the image into System Settings. After applying, exit Settings and lock the phone to verify the new lock screen appears correctly. If the wallpaper fails to update, make sure the image format is JPEG/PNG and not overly large. Then clear the home screen or wallpaper app cache or restart the phone. If issues persist, try a different image to rule out file corruption and then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.